We arrived in Newcastle and stopped by Harris Farm Markets to grab everything we needed for dinner later that night. This place honestly feels more like a local market than a regular supermarket. Everything's super fresh, colourful and a little bit fancy in the best way. Roger had planned the whole birthday dinner already beforehand. This is Harris Farm Markets in the Newcastle location, but they have many locations around in Sydney. Welcome to my room tour. Today we're staying at the Little National Hotel. First we have the living room, firm couch with a TV and a view. Shall we see the view? A nice view. Next we have, let's go to the bedroom. King size bed.
I think it's king, right?
It's very comfy.
There's a TV.
Tier, some Berlin chocolate. Bougie bougie. Here's the wardrobe. Open up. Wow. We have two very plush robes and some slippers that I'm already wearing right now. You want one?
Nah, I'm good.
Where Roger will be cooking for me. We have the kitchen. Comes with sink, electric stove, got a washing machine too. It's got all
Sorry.
it's got all the utensils you need. Plates, cups, mugs, cabinet full of accessories for the kitchen, microwave, and then we have a stocked fridge where he will be making all the foods. Beautiful.
Some drinks.
Wait, what milk is that? Oh, it's bougie. Milk lab.
Milk lab.
Oh, oat milk. Almond milk? It's bougie, man. Next, we have the bathroom. Did you see that? Huge.
It's
huge
really
shower.
big.
Like, the sink.
This
The sink. The mirror that lights up. Wow. This is so pretty. We love lighting. We got some towels.
small sink.
And then the toilet. Yeah.
The dining table.
Hello, we're all checked in. We're gonna go eat some fish and chips for lunch. It's literally right over there if you guys can see, along that road. Maybe we could bike it if we could hire bikes, that'd be nice. Heading to the gym now. Let's do a little gym tour. GYM. You might be wondering why we're in Newcastle. It's a little staycation for my birthday, and we do have family up in Newcastle that live here. They're retired, so I thought it was like a 2-in-1 kind of situation where we could visit and also enjoy Newcastle. Oh my god, there's a pelican! So we'll show you around Newcastle and what it has to offer, but so far it's a great city. It's very chill. The people here, you know, they're just chill. They got nothing to worry about, to be honest. Sydney's a bit too crazy, too busy, so it's good to unwind here for a bit and not have to think about much. And then next week I'll be heading to Shanghai, and after Shanghai we'll be very, very busy. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let me know if you want any more like location vlog type of videos. I'm happy to do them. Harborside takeaway. Some nice seats. Knee table. Sausage fish burger. I ate this in Sydney. We've been bombarded by seagulls now. We're just getting his complimentary coffee. What are you ordering? This is your second coffee of the day. The first dish Roger prepared for me were the raw oysters with the mignonette sauce. It was tangy and sour, paired really well with the fresh oysters. Had to get myself all dressed up and glammed up for birthday, so I just did do my makeup and hair. This took around the same time as Roger was preparing the second course. Up next on the menu was the scallop risotto. This was paired and cooked with the Parmesan cheese and white wine. It was giving restaurant quality with the perfect seared scallop. The only problem was the rice being undercooked, so minus points. Next up on the menu was the pasta, malfadine with slow roasted cherry tomatoes cooked in garlic and a fat piece of burrata. The burrata itself was so creamy and it melted into the pasta itself. Pasta soaked up all the flavors and it was so creamy, rich and light at all the same time. It was easily both our favorite dish of the night. Short montage of Roger's cooking. This was his first time using the stainless steel pan and the electric stove. Steak was cooked more on the rare side, so he did have to put it on the pan again.
Do I have to look again?
day 2 of our trip. We are checking out now. I had a decent sleep. The bed's very squishy. And you know us Asians, we like a hard bed. Head to a bakery for breakfast, and then we will also visit my family friend, pay him a visit and have lunch. And yeah, we bought him a little gift as well, so that will be exciting. We got him a cashmere scarf, so very bougie, but I'm sure he will love it. And we also got Leah a little gift too. Got him a nice dog toy. Thank you to the little National Hotel for having us. It's a great hotel, just the bed is not that great. But there is a speaker in the ceiling and in the bathroom, so I think those were my top favorites. Also, I'll have to see what amenities they have in the bathroom. Look at this, guys. Burrito? This is bougie. They even have the shampoo and like soap and body wash in the bathroom. I've never seen like branded, well, I haven't stayed at a hotel where there's branded products to use for free. Had a great meal last night. I think it took like 2-3 hours for you to make my dinner. Would you do it again?
That was very stressful.
It was stressful, but it was nice. Thank you. See you guys soon at breakfast. Bye. Disregard. We're gonna go to the lounge to get some free coffee and tea. One of the great amenities they have. I think this hotel is definitely catered towards like business people, because in the lounge it's very like self-service kind of stuff, like some little nooks where you can do your work. And then they have a printer as well. There's like little tables here where you can do your work. Private table. And then the view outside. There's like a meeting area too. These are more private areas where like you need like a door or a wall if you're making like an important business call. Me soon. Hello. This is so cute, the picture. Almond croissant and traditional beef pie. Check out my puppy. It's pretty chunky, look at it.
That's okay. It's so nice.
Hey! Wow. Got Arnott's biscuits. Delicious. My favorite is the basic cookie, which I think they still have to this.
They still make that. Oh, this is like the oval.
Yeah. National Cash Register. Ooh! Ooh! So old school, and there's like advertisement. What? What'd you say?
Did you pay for your ticket, Liz?
Did I pay for my ticket? No, I didn't. Do I get fined? Thrown off the tree. I'm Superman, guys. I'm holding the earth. I have the earth in my hand. Dinosaur! This is a T-Rex, right? T-Rex. After exploring Newcastle Museum, we had a Thai lunch together with our family friend. We visited their apartment and spent some time together and catched up. It was such a great way to end the trip as it made it more meaningful.